Hello students, today we are going to study all about the process control block. So let us begin with. Each process is represented as a process control block in the operating system. It contains information associated with specific process. It will store different kinds of information related to a particular process in this process control block. You could say it is nothing but a record kept by the operating system. Now in this diagram you can see there are different sections associated in the process control block. One by one we will be discussing all of these different sections. The first section is process state. It includes what is the current state of the process, and we have already studied that a process can exist in any of the 5 states such as new, ready, running, waiting or terminated. The next section is process number. To identify a process uniquely, a process number is given to this particular process. Next section is program counter. It contains the address of the next instruction to be executed. The next section is registers. We already know that a CPU consists of lots of different registers such as accumulator, index registers, stack pointers, and general purpose registers to store information. Other than this particular process control block consists of memory management information such as value of base limit register, page tables, segment tables, depending on the memory system used by the operating system. Other than this type of information, though it is not seen in this particular diagram, but process control block stores accounting information. So basically accounting information is nothing but it includes the amount of CPU used, time limits, account holders, job or process numbers, etc. It also includes information about the list of I/O devices allocated to the process and the list of the open files. So this is all about the process control block. From looking at this particular information, the operating system can take certain decision regarding a particular process.